Let's talk about something that many people seem to be overlooking in Ebonyi State. The unique approach Governor Francis Nwifuru is using to shape Ebonyi State. While people are often quick to criticize or focus on government's shortcomings, how many of us are really paying attention to the real work being done in this state? Governor Francis Nwifuru isn't just making promises. He's actively transforming Abakaliki and Ebonyi State as a whole. And guess what? Some of the changes happening under his leadership are things no previous administration ever accomplished. Here is why. If you've been in Abakaliki recently, you might have noticed something remarkable about the roads. That were once in terrible conditions, these roads are now completely transformed. And when we say transformed, we mean modern, well reconstructed and designed with long-term durability in mind. For years, streets like Udensi, FMC, Old Pirikiri, Old Secretariat, Unity Square, and even the new Mile 50 and Agro Road at Ebonyi were nothing to write home about. Administrations have come and gone, and they were still left in the same way they met it. These roads were practically nightmares for residents and business owners, but today they are smooth, well paved, and completely unrecognizable from their former selves. Now, let's be real. How many of us ever thought we would see some of these streets get a facelift in Abakaliki? The government didn't just fix them, they introduced modern designs, road markings, and aesthetic enhancements that have changed the urban landscape of Abakaliki. This is the kind of development that benefits everyone: business owners, transporters, property owners, and everyday commuters. Nwifuru's administration is not just about constructing roads. His government has been tackling infrastructural deficits across Ebonyi State, ensuring that both urban and rural communities experience real development here. Some critics may try to downplay his efforts anyway, but let's be honest. How many of us remember the old Abakaliki urban roads and how bad they were? Would we rather go back to that? Progress is progress, remember, and we should acknowledge it while we are still pushing for more improvements in the state. We've seen the impact of drawing attention to public concerns. The government is listening and changes are really happening. And what about this project right here? This one you're seeing on the screen. Let's not even talk about the fact that it was just a few months that the Eboka project was announced. And now look at the progress. The construction of the Eboka terminal is already 90% completed. An impressive feat within such a short time. From groundbreaking to near completion, this project exemplifies the pace and commitment of Governor Nwifuru's administration. But here's the issue. Why aren't these developments making national headlines? Because sometimes I wonder, why is Ebonyi State not getting the visibility it deserves for these game-changing initiatives we are seeing? In an era where media coverage shapes public perception, it's really disheartening that such remarkable progress is not just getting the attention it needs. Talking about media coverage, are you a business owner, a brand owner, or someone who simply needs amazing media services, media coverages, but do not know who to reach out to? Especially here in Abakaliki, simply reach out to us at Digital Creators Hub for all of your media needs and all of your digital needs via the number showing on your screen, or visit our office at number 55 Udemez Way, and I promise you won't regret it. Well, talking about media, that's exactly why platforms like Ebonyi People TV exist. We are here to ensure that the world sees and hears about what is happening in Ebonyi State. These achievements deserve to be celebrated, and more people need to know about them. Do you feel the media is doing enough to showcase Ebonyi's progress? The government media team, do you think they are really doing enough to showcase Ebonyi to the world? Which roads or projects do you think deserve urgent attention next in Ebonyi State? What other infrastructural gaps should the government focus on? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Your voice matters, and together we can ensure that Ebonyi State and Governor Francis Nwifuru's People's Charter of Needs continue to bring real and lasting development. Let's keep the conversation going. Share, comment, and engage.